This is Pipe Patch Pro. Thanks for sending it to us to compare and share. And when you get it, you'll see that it's all contained in this groovy little box. This is your emergency quick fix for any leaky pipes. So what you'll notice is you get a screwdriver in there with a reversible Phillips and bevel head, and it sits in there nice and snug, doesn't fall out, and it also has a really strong grip. Now inside you'll get a collection of hose clamps that you can use, as well as different rubbers that seal the hole, and these can be easily cut down if they are too big. Now, when you have a leak in your pipe, you want to open up the clamp, put on the rubber gasket, tighten down the clamp, and that seals it and also makes it more stable and secure in that area. This is a great emergency quick fix for any of your leaky pipes. Go check it out for yourself.